Okay? Why? Someone's happy. Yung biggest myth for me is happy wife, happy life.
The myth of the soulmate. Now you finish each other's sentences.
Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today is our Valentine's special episode. So we're actually going to unbox two 5,000 peso Valentine's mystery boxes from PoundIt. It's been a while since we last did the mystery box, and what better way to, I don't know, celebrate Valentine's than to unbox a couple of mystery boxes. So today will be a very special episode because, like what you guys keep saying, you want to see more of my wife here on the vlog, and I'm happy to share that she will be joining us in a few moments to unbox both of these mystery packages. And with that said, let's go. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away the Supreme Body Bag as well as a Nike React Infinity in your size. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links in the description box so you can see the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. I'm joined by the lovely wife, babe.
Hi!
So we will be unboxing two mystery boxes. So these are the Valentine's mystery boxes of PoundIt. So they're 5,000 pesos each, and they're different sizes because apparently you can get different items in the mystery box. So it's not just one set of items per box. O, diba? Okay?
Wow.
So maybe what we can do is we can start things off with your box. Okay? Why? Someone's happy. So let's take the items out one by one. One by one.
Chocolate.
So we have Take It chocolate, 2 fingers. So Goya. This is like the rip-off of Kit Kat. So
Grabe naman.
kamukha. Yung wafer sticks. So but anyway, there is chocolate in the mystery box, and
There's
then
GC from
KK Day.
KK Day. It's a travel voucher.
So it's a travel voucher for 10% off. So it's a code. So next item, we have your typical USB to lightning cable. So if you want to charge your iPhone, at least we have a cable inside the box. We have 3 more items inside the 5,000 peso mystery package. So again, take note, total value is supposed to exceed 5,000. So far, I'm not too sure how much we are at. So we are looking for, well, you know, one of those heavy hitter items that raise the value, like this one.
It's a outdoor waterproof wireless speaker.
From Havit. So this one, as you guys know, Havit is a portable speaker brand. This one is IPX7, which means it's outdoor waterproof wireless speaker, 5 watts output, multifunction design. So again, the Havit wireless speakers. I think this is the most expensive item inside this particular box.
It's the biggest one, but there's also a...
all mystery boxes have this.
What is that?
It's the Xiaomi LED light. So you have
it's a light.
So you have a USB
Akala ko power
port.
bank.
Paano ito naging power bank?
Ewan ko, nabaliit.
Ano, solar? So you have a USB slot, and then this one is an LED light. And we have one last item inside the mystery box.
Sorry,
I have a feeling it's earphones because usually if it's gadget mystery boxes at 5,000, you usually get earphones.
Parang hindi.
Oh, I got it wrong.
Yeah, no, you did get it right.
It's a Sony Walkman.
Walkman, headphones included.
Headphones included.
Wait, you're one half right.
So this one, I think if I'm not mistaken, has internal storage. You can listen to your favorite music. If you're not the type who loves to stream their music on Spotify or YouTube Music and you still want your files in a separate device, then you can rock it with the Sony Walkman. So again, this is the first Valentine's mystery box. We have the Walkman, we have the LED light, we have the speakers, we have the cable, we have the Goya Take It chocolate, and then we have the voucher. So pretty, what do you think? Okay naman?
Yeah, lalo na sa travel voucher, 10% off of a certain airfare is actually pretty good deal.
Malaking value
20, technically 20 off.
Wow.
Pang senior citizen discount.
Okay, so that's the first mystery box. Now we'll go to the second mystery package. So again, both of these boxes are 5,000 pesos each. So total damage was 10,000. Wow, yung math ko nag-fail. So 5,000. So babe, habang binubuksan ko to, ano ba yung pinaka nagustuhan mo sa akin?
Wow!
Valentine's eh. Valentine's.
Habang may hawak kang kutsilyo, wait lang.
Valentine's. So, ay, hindi, wag na lang ganun. Because, wait. May mga nagtatanong kasi, usually, how did we last so long daw?
Oh!
Kasi to those who don't know, we've been together for 19 years. So,
this is our 20th year.
20th year.
Wow.
So we were boyfriend, girlfriend for 10. And then we are married for almost 10. So almost 20. So what do you think is the secret of our longevity in our relationship?
Wow! Longevity.
Oo. So binubuksan ko to. Go.
Ano, I think it's really communication. Kasi I think the biggest myth that exists for relationships is that mind reader dapat yung kasama mo, or the myth of the soulmate na you finish each other's sentences, you sort of know exactly what he or she wants. You have to talk and in talking you get to know what each of the other person wants, or how they think, or how they would react to certain things and what they like. This Valentine's, he sort of got it. Like, I guess because of communication, I was able to tell him that I don't really particularly have like roses very much. I like receiving roses. I like the thought of it. But after that, parang after the initial surprise of receiving roses, I'm like, okay, so what do I do with this?
Matatapon.
Yeah, no, I put it on a vase. But it's not my favorite flower.
Yeah.
So I told him recently, after 19 years, that I actually like either peonies or carnations.
I have no idea what peonies are.
They look like carnations.
They're like small horses.
Yeah, basta, no, ponies. So this year, he gave me a mix of carnations and white roses. And iba pala yung tama pag gusto mo talaga. Like, oh, after 19 bouquets of flowers.
Natama rin natin.
Tumama rin siya ng isa. And you only get that if you communicate. Like, he wouldn't know what my favorite flower is if I didn't like say it at the start.
Okay. So ako naman, ang share ko sa inyo, I'll speak directly mostly to the guys watching this video. The biggest, I think, myth, ano yung myth mo?
Yung mind reading.
Mind reading.
Soulmate. Yeah.
Ako medyo connect doon. Yung biggest myth for me is happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, yung totoo is happy couple, happy life.
Yeah.
Diba? So, if diba the common thing that the guy says is, basta mag-sorry ka na lang kahit di mo kasalanan. Mali yun. Kasi there are times that you really need to communicate, you really need to talk it out, because you both have to be happy in a relationship.
Yeah.
Because if you are not both happy in a relationship, nagkakaroon ng sobrang daming openings for things to go wrong.
Yeah.
Diba? So always remember, guys, it's not happy wife, happy life. It's happy couple, happy life.
Yeah. And who likes hearing sorry na hindi naman talaga sorry?
Oo nga.
Diba? That's actually a pet peeve. So, it's not as simple as that. But it is as simple as really just talking to each other, slugging it out if you have to.
And having the patience,
yeah.
lalo for the guys.
For emotions and feelings.
Tsaka you will never get it right. Diba kasi sometimes you either think, oh, should I just listen or should I give advice? It's case to case. And sometimes, wala. Talagang ganun lang talaga.
Sometimes,
you just have to read it.
Advice.
Okay, so game na. So, we'll give more advice at the end of the video. So, the first item, so this is a bigger box, but it's the same value, so it's 5,000. So, ako naman magbubukas.
Okay.
So, the first item that we have is a power bank. So, it's a 5,000 milliamperes Mi Power Bank 2 from Xiaomi.
Wow.
May kailangan ba tayong pagbigyan ng power bank?
Kailangan ko ata kasi walang power bank.
Okay, so may bago ng power bank si Missy. So, happy Valentine's. So, so, the next item that we have here is from Philips. What?
What? Hey, this is so cool! It's a mobile phone!
Yeah, which is not smart. So, it's a simple and remarkably capable Philips mobile phone.
Call and text only.
So, it's the Philips E105 Black. Okay, I did not expect this. That's a nice surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the same travel vouchers, 10% off.
Oh, ano na?
40. Hindi nagsastock yan, babe. 10% per. And then you have the 200 peso discount for every 2,000 minimum purchase. We have 3 more items inside the box.
There's chocolate?
Actually, wala. This box doesn't have chocolate.
So the smaller. Without chocolate.
The smaller.
PoundIt.
Oh, nice. Oh, this is cool. We have the Mi Band 4. So this is a fitness tracker which allows for you to be able to see your steps. It has a pedometer. I'm not too sure if this has a heart rate monitor. Oh, it should. This has a heart rate monitor, has various exercise modes, and also has a color touchscreen.
Wow.
Diba? The Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This also has a 20-day battery life.
Wow, 20
So
days.
almost 3 weeks, di ba? So hindi lang isang linggong pag-ibig yan, tatlo. Okay. So next, and this is the biggest item inside the box. We have another wireless speakers from Habit. So this is the Habit wireless speaker with dual alarm clocks.
Oh,
So this one is
para
time.
magising sa dalawang.
Correct. Di ba? Kaya siya dual para sa Mr. at Mrs. Time display plus dual alarm clocks, mini body with 10 watts output. Okay, and we have one last item inside the mystery box, which is some sort of like at siguro ito earphones. Kasi usually ganito mga earphones.
May earphones talaga.
Oh, hindi pwedeng walang earphones sa mystery box. This one is from Sony. So this is the Sony MDR E9 LP Crystal Clear Sound. So ulitin natin, tingnan natin kung ano yung sa box na to. So you have the Habit wireless speakers, you have the Sony Crystal Clear earphones, you have the Mi Band 4, you have the Philips dumb phone, and then you have the Xiaomi 5000 milliamperes power bank, and the two, what do you call that?
Vouchers.
The two vouchers. Now obviously, I don't have the actual price list per item, but I'm pretty sure that if you add the total value, this is way more than 5,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Also for the other one, because I think the Walkman is a couple of thousands. The wireless speaker is a couple of thousand. So you're looking at least siguro around 6,000, 7,000 pesos
Dalawa pala siya.
worth of items. I think the first one is from my box. So may chocolate pala.
Dapat mas malaki. Dapat apat.
So yeah, so sulit. So if you're wondering if sulit ang mystery box, Valentine's mystery box ng PoundIt, now you guys know it's actually pretty good. Diba? And again, every mystery box is different. It's not the same kind of items per box, which makes it a little bit more interesting. Diba?
So parang may message din yung mga box. Ganon kasi.
Oh.
Ito parang
Pampapayat na
fitness, pampapayat at pagnegosyo.
Pang negosyo. Pagbenta ng load, di ba usually, yun yung ginagamit usually ng mga nagbebenta ng
Tapos
load.
ito chill lang. Chillax to at home with your chocolate or staycation, whatever. Chillax
Okay.
yan. Ito yung chillax package.
Correct. So meron pa tayong 2 questions na kailangan sagot. Dahil kasi nagtanong ako ng mga questions sa pwede natin ni Q&A.
Okay.
So ang isang question, ito kailangan ko sumagot kasi I wouldn't know how to answer it. Hindi ko siya binigyan ng heads up ha.
Yeah.
So everything's being taped as we go along. So the question is, tinatanong ng isang girl, wala daw siyang boyfriend for the longest time. So ano ba daw dapat gawin niya? Dapat ba daw niya ibaba standards niya? O dapat tuloy-tuloy lang? She feels na she's growing too old na and she hasn't found the one yet. So from your perspective, what advice would you give her?
Sa akin and I told this din naman to a guy who was looking for a girl or was thinking about the kind of girl he should look for. And sa akin, just find yourself, not soul searching, find yourself, but really just celebrate who you are. Learn new things, strengthen your weaknesses. Kumbaga, focus on yourself. There's nothing wrong with trying to be your best self all the time. So parang set yourself up to be seen by that person.
And don't be too aggressive, no?
No, sa akin, just be yourself eh. And the thing is, you have to know who yourself is. You have to
Correct.
know what your passions are
Correct.
and what makes you happy. So that when the person comes along, you aren't just going to mold yourself to that person because, wow, finally, I have the one. What does he like? What makes him happy? Happy husband, happy life. And hindi ganon. I think that the time that you have is precious. Enjoy being single. And I know that's harder to say. And that's harder to do than to say. But I think there's always merit in just finding out more about yourself and developing more about yourself. Because as you do that, you flourish in a way that others notice.
Okay, so guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. Sana marami kayong natutunan apart from gaano kaganda ang mga mystery box
I like mystery
ng
box.
PoundIt. And with that said, we wish all of you a happy Valentine's Day. To those who are still single, huwag kayong mag-alala. God is preparing somebody very special for you. At the same time, ito, kailangan ko rin i-stress to, He is preparing you for that special someone as well. Hindi lang ni God inaayos yung tao para sa'yo, inaayos ka din ni God. And when the time is right, and both of you are ready, you'll see each other.
Tsaka ano rin
Ang sweet.
hindi ganun kadali maging in a relationship.
Oo.
So, chill lang, chill.
It takes a lot of hard work.
Yeah,
di
it
ba?
takes a lot of hard work to be with a person entirely different from who you are.
Correct.
So, it's not all romance.
It's a lot of hard
Fairy
work,
tale.
but it's very fulfilling.
It is, and to have a partner in your life, it's really as you go through life. It's really, one of the best feelings in the world.
Correct.
Yeah.
And with that said, guys, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.